Hi guys, welcome to the second lecture in module 3 of architecture Revit. In this module, I'll be telling you about the grid system, how to draw the structural grids in the Revit software. So structural grids are basically used to place columns. It will be very useful to place column and any other structural element. That's why grids are used. So you can find grids in the architecture tab. Grids will be found here, and we have it in the structure tab as well. Grid. You can choose any. It's the same thing. GR is the shortcut. Just click on that. Then you'll get the modifier tools available, like all other structural elements. So we have used the quick line option last time in the level. We'll be going with the same. But since it's a new blank template, first we have to create one line with the line tool, and just we'll be creating one grid line. So just click and just drag here and draw. So you can see this. I'll create a smaller. You can see here that grid line is visible with numbering as 1. So I highlighted this. Good. Click on this, go to edit type, and then check the plan view symbol end 1. Check this and click on apply and then OK. You can see that you can see both bubble here with numbering. So this will be useful because in a floor plan, usually it's a big template, so we need to see which grid is where. So it's better to have both the bubbles. And if you want to create any more, then go to grid plan again. This time we have one grid already there, grid line available. So we'll be using pick line and again offset. Offset we'll use it as 2 meters. And okay, let's keep this as point. This is how you create grid. If I want this horizontal grids here, so I'll go to grid again and then again have to create one normal grid here. So if you can see that I didn't number these again, so it's automatic. Like if this is 1, this is the first grid, it will be numbered 1, and accordingly all the grids will be numbered. So if I change this to A, and then if I create one more grid with this line and the offset is 3.5, then you can see the next grid will be B. So this is how you create grids, and here this is very, you can place the columns here in the intersection, or any structural elements can be placed using grids. And this is how this is very useful in a big plan. So that's why structural grids are used.